my what's gonna. And I got Fidgets. You know what that means? Unboxing time. So obviously we're gonna do a tangle first. There we go. Tangle, oh man. Oh my god. Tangles are good fidgets. Okay, we should try to put it back in a ball. Oh no. Where's that scoop? Well, simple. That's right. Yeah. This one is needed for scissors, so work. Okay. Oh my god. How do you open this thing? Holy moly. Is this thing cursed? I think it needs to be right-handed and not right-handed. So, oh, I got it open. Time. Got my simple. I love simple dimples. Kind of hard. Blame you are hard. I was a big one and I was like, no cap. We should do the dog puppet first. Cause I have an elephant puppet, but like, I am hyper right now. Do you think the scissors will work for cutting cardboard? Oh my god. That works? I don't think that's how you open it, but it was worth a try. Now he's gonna I'm being so careful right now. Yay! I got my dog puppet out. As you can see, look how cute that dog is. Yeah. Sorry, elephant. I should be saying sorry to the bag, not thank you. No, because I don't make any trip. Loves me. Guys, I'm gonna throw the plastic away, not outside. Look at this cute elephant puppet, and it's rainbow. Oh my god, I've never had one of these before, but I'm seriously gonna start fidget training on this channel. Since now that I've got more, since that I got more puppets and fidgets, I'm gonna start fidget training more. kind of sucks. Oh my god. I'm gonna pop the eyeball. Sorry. I popped it! This is amazing. Okay. I'm gonna rate the Fidgets. This one I give like 9 out of 10. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Of course, it's Simple Dimple, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give this puppet like. Are you? Yeah, I'm gonna give this puppet like a 2 out of 10. Yeah, 2 out of 10. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna go to the dog puppet at 11 out of 10. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If that makes you like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye!